Hi everyone, welcome back to Guido with Huawei Nova 3i camera replacement guide. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. Let's start it by removing the back cover. Heat gently around the phone until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, you can use a heat gun, heat pad or hair dryer. Carefully work around on edges, and once you feel the heating is enough, insert a plastic upright tool and slowly cut the adhesive around. In between, you can use a suction cup to lift the back cover. While you are taking out the back cover, be gentle. The Touch ID sensor is attached to the back cover. To unplug the Touch ID, move the rear cover to the left hand side and remove the metal shield by undoing 2 screws. Unplug the connector and remove the back cover. To reach to the cameras, it is required to take out the mainboard protector frame, and for this, needs to undo 8 screws. Just make sure to pull the copper adhesive too. In Nova 3i, there are 2 rear cameras and 2 front cameras. Disconnect both, starting with 2-in-1 rear camera and followed by 2 separate front cameras. The big camera is the main and the smaller one is the depth camera. That applies to both front and rear cameras. Replace the required camera with a new unit and start connecting all cameras back to the board, starting with 2-in-1 rear camera and followed by front cameras. Now, at the mainboard protector frame, insert all 8 screws back and stick back the copper adhesive. Finally, we can add the main back cover with the Touch ID sensor. Make sure the battery, LCD and main connectors are tightened enough. Connect the Touch ID and insert 2 screws with the metal shield. Just make sure the back cover has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.